Chia seeds, ice cube. Chia seed. Half glass, normal water. Soak for 2 hours. Olive oil, 1 spoon. Alovera gel. Vitamin E cap. Mix well. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Ice cubes should not be applied directly to the skin as this may cause irritation. A thin cloth should be applied. Rub ice cubes on your skin. Improves the glow of the skin. Chia seeds help fight free radicals and skin aging. Chia seeds reduce inflammation. Chia seeds help increase collagen production. Apply on the skin and leave for 5–7 minutes and wash off.